Our family's use of MMFCU over the years has been both multifaceted as well as extremely important in assisting us to manage our finances. After our accounts were established, we were able to refinance our outside mortgage through MMFCU. This process not only allowed us to reduce the time period of our mortgage, but also it allowed us to consolidate our accounts into one convenient location. As our equity in the home grew, we were able to establish and eventually increase a HELOC. Over the years, we have used our HELOC to renovate our home, travel to Europe, purchase vehicles, and most importantly, assist in the financing of our children's college educations. Our son had the opportunity to study abroad in Italy, and one of the requirements of the program was for the student to possess a credit card in his or her own name. We applied for my son's credit card through MMFCU online portal, and after submitting a few documents, we had his card in hand in less than a week. The process could not be easier. We were able to visit him in Italy, and of course, we used our MMFCU Visa for most, if not all, purchases to ensure we were receiving the best currency exchange rate. We have since acquired a MMFCU Visa for my daughter. Now both of our children are able to make purchases using a more secure method with fraud protection. Just as important, though, they are both on their way to establishing their own personal credit as well as learning to manage their own finances.